Hi friends, using WordPress, you can create a perfect business website in no time. You just need to select a suitable WordPress theme. We have seen hundreds of themes and other resources for WordPress websites on this channel, and in this video, we are targeting a website for consulting business. So if you are in need for creating any such website, watch this video until the end, and we are going to overview the theme called Convis, and it is a dedicated business Elementor WordPress theme for consulting business. And the theme has been developed by Web10 and it came into existence in last year only, and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. It is a modern and professional consulting business WordPress theme built and suitable for any business operating in the consulting and finance industry. So let us start creating a website, and I have this fresh installation of WordPress and our website is looking like this. And I am assuming, okay, so this is not a fresh installation. In fact, I need to reset this. So somehow I forget to reset this. Now I'm resetting this installation with this WP reset plugin. So I already shown you this plugin in earlier video. It is a wonderful plugin, and this is a very good idea to have this plugin if you want to reset your WordPress installation again and again due to any reason. This is, however, I'm using the pro version. You can have the free one. And now this is reset. Reset is done and everything is new, and we can add the default theme here. And it is not for you. I'm just showing how I am doing all these things and how simple all these things at WordPress CMS. So, okay. So now it is reset, and this is now a core and fresh installation of WordPress. Now the default 2024 WordPress theme is installed. You can take a look at our website. This is the website with default theme. Now, so Convis is the target theme that we are going to install, and will create any of these websites. Convis brings multiple pre-made websites as a demo website. Like business consulting, you can target insurance agency or marketing consultant, corporate website, finance consulting, and investment. So these are the pre-made website that we can target. And now I am going to show you the theme pack that you'll get from the theme forest. You have to buy the theme from the themeforest.net through the video description link, and once you buy the theme, just available for $24. So it is a good idea to have this theme. The price is very low, like an introductory price. So buy the theme through video description link, join the iCreate program, and connect with a mentor. A mentor is going to help you in all around creating your website and making it a performing website, digital marketing ready website. So that is all for you. You can have a direct chat or schedule a mentor connect chat. So everything is for you. Okay, so here we are, and I'll show you the theme pack first that you'll get. In the theme pack, I have this theme file, installable theme file, child theme. In the plugin folder, Convis toolkit, and licensing, documentation, and demo. Okay, so we are going to use this convis.zip. To install the theme, we can simply open the theme section, and under the appearance menu, click on add a new theme, upload theme. Here we need to choose the installable theme file that you can find under the theme directory, convis.zip. Click on install now. Installation is always simple, but yes, we have to follow the exact steps. It is necessary to install the theme in proper manner, and all plugins that is required and recommended even in proper manner. And once you install the theme successfully, okay, so theme has been installed successfully, we can go to the theme page. Convis is here along with the default theme. To check the further details, this is Convis version 1.0.3 by Web10. When you will order the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net, you might be getting an updated version of theme depending upon the updates and availability. But yes, the installation process will remain almost same. And now we can activate the theme. So I'm assuming you are using a WordPress optimized hosting plan that you can avail through WP Themes website. All the respective links that you need for your website has been given in the video description. Don't miss to follow the video description links. That can be very helpful in deciding everything for you. Okay, so now we are here and I can see here is an alert that we need to install certain plugins. And if we check only 5 plugins, so it is a great theme for me. If a theme is using very less number of plugins, it means it has the very few or less dependency on external elements, and your website is going to be stable in this case. So Convis toolkit is itself here. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Made form for creating forms, contact forms. This is for demo import, and WooCommerce is also here just in case if you are targeting an e-commerce website. I'm selecting all. However, only 2 are required, 3 are recommended. But yes, to get the optimal feature, we need to install all these plugins. Select install, click on apply, and it may install all the plugins. Just in case if it does not work, like it did not work even for me. So we have to install plugins one by one. We're following the install links. It is a very simple, but yes, we need to put some additional effort, like some additional clicks. But yes, we can simply install all the plugins one by one. So you can see the 2 plugins has been already installed. Now Metform is being installed. In just few seconds, we will complete this installation. One click demo import. And the last one is WooCommerce. Okay, so we have installed all 5 plugins and we can see the activate links, and now I'm going to select all again, and this time I'll activate all the installed plugins. So it is a good idea to install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. All plugin has been installed successfully, activated as well, and we are here at dashboard. Coming back to the dashboard, it may require some additional efforts, like this is welcome page for Elementor. You can simply cross this, close this, and we are here. Okay, great. So theme plugins have been installed, and we can take a look at our website, how it looks. Okay, so this is the basic look of website that is using Convis WordPress theme. And Convis is a dedicated theme for consulting business, and it is an Elementor WordPress theme. To proceed further, to make a target website like any of these, we have multiple options. We have full-fledged websites as pre-made website with all set of inner pages. It is really great. And this is the dark version. We can choose any of these layouts as our target website. I like this one. Everything is the demo of all the demos has been crafted very aesthetically, and you can have an intuitive website using this thing. Now I'm going to import the demo data to make a demo website. Okay, so under appearance, I can see there is an option called import demo data, and here we can simply click on the import demo data. On the next page, we have some more plugins. We can simply click on continue and import. Now the demo import process is begin. This process may take time, even up to 5 or 10 minutes, depending upon your server speed, internet capacity, the connection with the developer server. All such dependent factors are here. And okay, great. Error, but it is saying fail to import media. But it is saying it is complete. It is amending for me. In just 2 seconds, some media it has filled about 6 box 713. Okay. Let us take a look at our website first of all, if it is complete. Okay, so it is simple. The website is complete. Images has not been provided in the demo content, and the placeholder images are here. It is good. It is not a matter of big deal. We have to place our image ultimately, and it is good that the installation is not cluttered with the unnecessary image and all unnecessary. So you see, as we seen, the demo import got complete in just few seconds. So however, we did not receive the original images as shown in the demo, but we even don't need those images. And I can show you the number of pages. 32 pages with all home pages that we need. We can directly choose for our website, all made with Elementor, and our website is complete. We just need to put our content and it will be ready. So we just need to replace these images, content, and it is going to be fine. The installation remained very smooth, and internal pages I can show you randomly. This is service page. Some images has been provided, however, internet and speed is really awesome. If you are having a fast loading website, you are going to win the digital race, of course. So Google likes the fast loading website. Everyone, the users like fast loading website. And if we check the shop portion, so we need to add the products and the contact. Great. So we have this complete set of website along with all home pages that we can directly use at our website. This is complete, and this is hamburger menu. It is also equally good. So we can conclude that this theme is very good to select for a consulting business. And now I'm going to show you the backend of this installation so that you may get an idea what is available inside the theme. So we have already used the welcome. The server status can be checked here, and without having the proper configuration, you can proceed for installation. The theme options we can check. Okay, so the theme option is control panel for website. This is the basic control of our website where we can change the basic things of like preloader, and we can enable, disable, and we can change the preloader text as well, loading tags, styling, colors, and all. Back on top option, header options, and the default header, enable, disable options. The logo can be changed here. The footers, elements, the footer, copyright, message, page titles, blog, portfolio, shop options. The color schemes can be completely changed, and the typography means font is completely in your control, whatever you want to change. 404 maintenance mode. Okay, so this is also available. You don't need any additional plugin while you are creating your website. You can keep it enabled. And custom scripts goes. Wonderful. So this is complete control, and the template builder I can see here. The template builder is basically used for the section and elements of the website that you can simply edit using this Elementor Page Builder, like pricing, plan, monthly, and the footer, hero. So whatever has been used at your pages where you are editing, like for elements, home, corporate, hero. So you can change the text and rest of details using this option like template builder. This is a template. You can reuse it or add new pages as well. You can add new template as well. So this is great thing. The template builder is also available. Similarly, Metform is here for controlling the forms that might be used at your website. So you can create new forms. And portfolio. Again, portfolio section is giving you the capability to edit the portfolio items. It is visible on the website. And what is next? The e-commerce, just in case if you are planning to have an e-commerce website, you can use this. And everything is fine, I believe. And you can go to the dashboard, and I don't think I need to show anything else. So import demo data option is here, customize also. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit the page content. So this is the area, and open the page that you want to edit. Hover on the area just in case if you want to jump on the header and footer, and click on edit with Elementor option to start editing the content at your website. Elementor is very popular and easy to use page builder, now being used for WordPress website, and you can simply edit the content of your website using this Elementor Page Builder, and it is very simple. You can simply use the navigator to go on the respective section, or you can directly go to the section and you can start editing the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content to maintain the design integrity of the website. Same means what has been used in the demo. You can use almost same. So you are going to complete this website, and just in case if you have any question regarding this theme or setting up or basic customization, you can write in the comment section. And better, you can join the iCreate program where you are going to get all the help from a mentor to complete your website. Chat is here. You can connect with a mentor. You can join the program. Everything is for you. You just need to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. In the next video, I'm coming with more solution. In this video, we created this wonderful website for consulting firm, and it is really good. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution. Till then, keep watching and explore other themes as well. This is not the only theme. You have hundreds of themes, resources on this channel. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.